What's going on, everybody? Hiking with Jake here, and welcome to Letchworth State Park, man. Let's go check it out. What's up, guys? We're at our next stop at Letchworth State Park. Today, we are at Gradu. I'm gonna stop fumbling around because that's probably offensive to French people. I don't know if this is French. That was probably offensive too. Check it out. You tell me what it is. Gardau Overlook? Anyway, you probably don't want to hear me fumbling my words. This place is just absolutely stunning and never ceases to freaking blow me away, guys. There's even a bunch of little hiking trails here too. Ooh, you hear the birdies? I look like an idiot. I'm glad there's no one here today. Trail goes this way, and then it goes down. On a normal day, when it's nice out and not raining, I'd do it. I hope you guys like that view. I'll catch you guys on the next one.